Good morning, students. So we have started this chapter 14 linear equations in one variable, and we have started this exercise 14.1. So in this I have discussed till part 8 of question number 1. Now we will resume our discussion of this exercise. So let's take one more question. So now in this it is decimal. Here it is again one more decimal. So what I am going to do, either you can remove the decimal. Okay, so if you remove the decimal, it becomes 100. Then if you remove the decimal, so it will be like 45 upon 100x plus 3 upon 5x, and I am going to multiply 10 in the bracket. So let's see what I will get. So let's do some simplification. It becomes 9x upon 20 plus 3x upon 5 is equals to 45 plus, okay, multiply it inside the bracket. So now let's take the LCM. 20, so it is 9x plus 5 into 4 is 20, 12x equal to 69. So 21x upon 20 is equals to 69 you got. So from here, what is the value of x? X will be 69 into 20 upon 21. Let's do some simplification. 3 into 7. So finally, you will get x equal to 460 upon 7. Or if you want to change it into the mixed fraction, you will get, this will be your answer in the mixed fraction. Okay, so either you remove the decimal or you can simply do the calculations by taking the LCM. Okay. Then let's discuss one more problem. Okay, so we will keep this thing in mind. We have to reduce any form of equation which is given into the linear form or in the single equation form. So for example, let's see one more question. 4 upon x minus 3 minus 3 upon x minus 1 is equals to 5 upon x minus 1 minus 4 upon x minus 2. Okay, suppose we have to solve this for x. So what we are going to do, first thing will remain same. We will take the LCM on both the sides. So in these type of expressions, your LCM will be simply the product of these denominators, that is x minus 3 into x minus 1. So you will do the cross multiplication of x minus 1 here, then cross multiplication of x minus 3 here, like this, and same thing I am going to do it here. Then cross multiplication of x minus 2 here and cross multiplication of x minus 1 here. Okay, so let's simplify it. So it is 4ax minus 4 minus 3 into x minus 3x minus minus plus 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, and we will not solve it. So x minus 1 and x minus 1 will cancel out. Here it is 5x minus 10, 5 into x minus 10 minus 4x minus minus plus 4 into 1, 1 x minus 2. So finally it is reduced in the form x plus 5 upon x minus 3 equal to x minus 6 upon x minus 2. Next, we will do the cross multiplication. So you will get x plus 5 into x minus 2, x minus 6 into x minus 3. And then you just simply multiply these two expressions. So x into x, x square, 5 into x, 5x, x into 2, minus 2x, minus 10, minus 6x, minus 3x, plus 18. So x square will cancel out. What I am going to get, I am writing it here. So 5x minus 2x will give you 3x minus 10, minus 6x minus 3x minus 9x plus 18. So now finally this whole expression is reduced into this form. So I will take 9x here and 10 will go there. It becomes 12x equal to 28, or x equal to 28 upon 12, that is 7 upon 3. Okay, so in these type of questions, first you will take the LCM. LCM means product of these denominators. Then you do the cross multiplication. Like this you will get the expression. Then if anything is cancelled out, you cancel it out. Then after that, if it is again not simplified, you do the cross multiplication. Here I have done the product of 2. So you can do the product like this also. If you do not know, you can write it like this. Then minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 2, you will get minus 10. Then x into x, x square. Then x into 5 plus 5x. And then when you add, you will get 3x minus 10. Okay. So if you do not understood how to do the multiplication, you can do the multiplication of this type using the column method. So finally you will get x equal to 7 by 3. Okay, so let's discuss one more question. So in this, what I am going to do, I am going to do the cross multiplication like this. So when I do the cross multiplication, see what I will get. 20 into x upon 4 minus 3 upon 5 is equals to minus 3 into 4 upon 3 minus 7x. Then I will take this 20 inside, x upon 4 minus 3 upon 5 into 20. Then this minus 3 will go inside, minus 7x into minus 3. So this will get cancelled. Then it is cancelled. You will get 5x. 4 into 3 is 12. Then this 3 and 3 cancel. Minus 4 plus 21x. Okay. So again, all the x one side, on the constant one side. So it becomes minus 16 equal to 8. So what is our x? X will be 8 upon minus 16. That is minus 1 by 2. Okay, so instead of taking the LCM here and then solving it, you do the cross multiplication. You do the cross multiplication, you will get the expression in this form. So finally you will get x equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, so these are the free questions that we have discussed. In the next video, we will discuss the remaining problems.